Hi, this is Joe Renna, and this is Mind Your Own Local Business. I'm interviewing local businesses and community service organizations on how they're dealing with the coronavirus. Hopefully, this video can help them promote what they're doing. Hi, we're talking with Bruce Heyman from Metropolitan Window Fashions at Fabricland, located in Green Brook. Say hi, Bruce.
Hello, everybody.
Give us a little background on the business.
So we're a third generation family business. My grandfather started the business in Plainfield, New Jersey, 1934. So we're over 85 years. And his original company was called Chain Decorators. Did mostly draperies and upholstery like we do now. But in the 1960s, my dad and mom transitioned the company to more fabrics and renamed the company as Fabricland. And then, I got into the business about 30 years ago, and the business started gravitating back to the way my grandfather did things, which is in-home decorating for custom shades, blinds, draperies, shutters, reupholstery. And when we opened a store in New York City about 15 years ago, we decided we really needed to rebrand because at this point we have 3 stores, Green Brook, Paramus, and New York City. So we are Metropolitan Window Fashions, and we're the largest independent retailer of custom window fashions in the metro area.
How are you doing your business now? Are you open for business? Are you doing curbside anything? How's the business
So
changed?
most of our business now is in-home decorating. So in fact, almost 2 years ago, we moved from our iconic North Plainfield store to Green Brook, just 3 miles down the road. And when we did that, it was because our business has become so much window fashions that it's really dominated the business. And when we moved, we still had the fabric business. And my dad, who's been retired 20 years, God bless him, he's like, yeah, don't even bother. Don't even take the fabric store with you. Just leave it there. And but I do have a sentimental attachment to Fabricland. Everyone knows Fabricland in Central New Jersey. They all grew up at the store. So we still have a fabric division. It's about 10% of what we do. So to answer your question, most of what we do is in-home decorating. So when the state basically said close your doors, we said, okay, we'll close our doors, but we're still available for in-home decorating. So we still have decorators that will go out to a customer's home, with a mask and gloves and, taking their temperature if the customers are comfortable having us in their homes. So that's what we're doing. The stores are closed. We answer the phones Monday through Friday from 10 to 4. Our decorators are on the road and our installers are on the road. So we're in Green Brook, 270 US Highway 22 in Green Brook, only 3 miles west of the old store.
And I know you to be very generous with your time and doing community service for the towns around your place. And I kind of love the idea of what you were doing with your fabrics during the coronavirus crisis. So why don't you explain what the program you put together consists of?
So, back to the funny story about, my dad saying, don't even bother with the fabric business. And we said, no, we'll stay in the fabric business. That's who we are. But so, we're forced to close our doors, and it was not an easy decision because obviously you close your doors, you furlough your staff. So, I consider myself a job creator. So to send people home, it was not a happy day. But it seemed like the same day we closed our doors, the fabric face mask phenomenon started, and everyone needs face masks. So obviously, we sell fabric, and I had my my education coordinator sit down in our classroom and start fabricating masks and create patterns and instructions. So now what we do is we have a fabric face mask kit, which includes enough fabric, both a quilter's cotton fabric for the face and the flannel for the backing, and elastic with instructions and a pattern. So for $15, which is below our cost, we will ship a fabric face mask kit that'll get you 25 masks. Now we do have to charge for shipping, so add the priority mail shipping, and you're at $25 for 25 masks. And we have been here for a month now, all day, every day, myself and my 2 sons, just answering the phone, rings off the hook, and shipping these fabric face mask kits. And it's been, you know, it feels like we're doing our part, and everyone's been very grateful. And you know, we make some, we donate some, but our customers, if we've donated, and we've probably donated 1,000 by now, our customers must have donated 10,000 in terms of, you know, local hospitals and first responders. So it's
That's
it's
awesome.
nice feeling. Yeah, yeah.
And how could they contact you or place an order?
They can either call us Monday through Friday at our main phone from 10 to 4, 908-755-4700, or they can send us an email to shop, S-H-O-P, at fabricland.com, and we'll get right back to them.
Can somebody use customized material, a pattern they want, or a color?
Sure. So in our kits, you know, it's 1.25 yards of a random cotton print. It's a nice cotton print, but because you can't see it, that's one of the reasons why we sell it below cost, so nobody can complain. But if they said, hey, listen, I want a blue print, or I want a black and white print, you know, for another $5, we'll go to our bolts and we'll pick something off the wall, and we'll get you something that you're looking for. But you know, if they have fabric at home and they just need the flannel backing, that's fine. What we don't have a lot of, and a lot of people are looking for, is extra elastic. That is just so hard to come by. But we, you know, we have enough to put these kits together.
That is awesome. So hopefully this is over with soon, this coronavirus crisis. But I'm trying to collect stories of what people are doing to help each other. So I loved your story this morning. Thank you for doing that. And I'll say goodbye for now.
Okay, thank you, Joe. Appreciate your time.
Cool.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mind Your Own Local Business. Please like, share, and add a comment. And please hit the subscribe button. If you would like your business or community service organization featured on the show, email me at joerenna@rennamedia.com. Renna Media publishes 21 community newspapers. We mail to every home and business in the 21 towns, a total of 135,000 papers each month. Visit our website, rennamedia.com, for more information. Thank you.